I welcome you all to Engineer Dan online math class. And we have a solution to solve on the board. And I want to implore you guys, please subscribe to my channel, Engineer Dan, Engineer ANGR full stop, then Dan online math class. Just subscribe to the channel. It's about let's get to reach more students. Okay. All right. What we have on the board is minus 5c raised to 0 plus 7 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power 2. Okay, the question says if c is not equals to 0, right? If c is not equals to 0, what is the value of the expression above? What's the value of the expression above? Okay, but the way you see these terms carrying powers, you say, okay, it's related to indices, right? Yeah, it's related to indices. The first term can be solved simply applying the zero index law in indices. Applying the zero index law in indices. While the second term, you see the 7 raised to power 1 is just 7, while 2 raised to power 2 is just 4. So let's just simplify everything here. Now, you see this, what's it called? Minus the first step here, minus 5c in bracket raised to power 0. Whatever you put in brackets is just like a bunch, like a whole. How? Okay, let's say you put 7 oranges in a bag, right? 7 oranges in a bag, and you just grab the bag. You grab the bag this way. Now you see the whole bag is not like just one, right? But when you remove everything in the bag, it becomes 7 oranges, right? But since it's in the bag, we count the bag as just what? 1. That's what bracket does to so many things. The way it's in bracket, it means it's a whole. So it's not that we have 5 and we have c, we have 5c as a whole, all raised to power what? 0. Okay, let's apply this law here. The zero index law, where we see a raised to power 0 is 1, so anything raised to power 0 is 1. This is 5c, but they are in brackets. I mean, 5c is in bracket, right? That means it's a whole, it's 1. We can say let 5c be a, okay? So 5c is 1. So 5c in bracket is power 0. We call that 1. There's a negative sign there, so we'll say this is minus 1. The first term there is minus 1, right? Okay, the next term, 7 raised to power 1. 7 raised to power 1 is 7, right? Okay, we'll just do this, plus 7. Okay, and 2 raised to power 2 is what? 4, isn't it? Okay, we can just say minus 4. Alright, coming here, you can actually, let's say, pick, collect like terms like say minus 1 minus 4 plus 7, or plus 7 minus 1 minus 4, that's 7 minus 5. You can do that, but when the operations involve just addition and subtraction, right? You wouldn't need to do that, okay? You can just solve it straightforward and get your answers. That's simple. Alright, but if the operation involves division, multiplication, brackets, and index and exponents, then you have to apply what? Budmats, okay? But since it's this way, we can just solve it straight ahead. Alright, minus 1 plus 7 is plus 6. How do we get that? Simple, because you owe someone 1 naira and you have 7 naira. If you pay the person, what's left with you is what? 6 naira, is it not? So that's plus 6. They'll have a minus 4, right? Okay, you pay the person 1 naira, you have 6 naira, and you owe someone else 4 naira. You finish paying the person, you definitely have what? 2 naira left. So that's why we have plus 6 minus 4 will give us what? Plus 2. And that is the final answer. Simple, right? Okay. I always want my students to just catch up with me. If they have any questions, we can answer. I will need to catch up, okay? Alright, you can catch me up on 090 36 733 117. Or follow me on my YouTube channel. Just subscribe, click the notification button, the like button. You can also share. Follow me on my Facebook. I'm also on TikTok. On TikTok, just Engineer Dan. I'm on TikTok, Engineer Dan. So see me there. Alright? Okay. See you in our next class. Okay?